Did you know sunscreen struggles are still very real? With so many products out there, choosing the right SPF can feel overwhelming, almost like reading a foreign language. And let's face it, the sunscreen drama in the beauty community is also still real. For one camp, it's the holy grail anti-aging secret. For the other, it's about spreading viral posts about toxic chemicals that make people throw their SPF in the trash. And then, of course, sunscreen terms that sound alien. It's no wonder people are confused. That's exactly why we put this video together. Think of it as your go-to guide. You can revisit anytime sunscreen jargon leaves you stuck. And towards the end, we'll share some of the most buzzed about recommendations for different skin types. We've tracked recurring concerns, filtered the noise, and pulled together insights that matter, so you can make choices that balance protection, comfort, and yes, aesthetics. By the end, you'll be able to pick a sunscreen with clarity and confidence, not just for today, but for 2025 and beyond. So let's get into it. You know how? There's that one person who swears by a secret hack that sounds glamorous but turns out to be, well, not so smart. Sunscreen myths are kind of the same. They sound tempting, like skipping SPF to let your skin breathe, or only using it on holidays. But when you zoom in, the science says otherwise. Myth 1. I only need SPF for beach vacations. Oh honey, no! This is exactly why we're seeing sunspots on 25-year-olds that our moms didn't get until their 40s. It's like thinking you only need to wash your face on date nights. Your skin is working 24/7, so your protection should be too. Quick check. Are you an everyday SPF user or just vacation only? Comment below. We want to know where our audience stands. Myth 2. My darker skin tone means I'm already protected. While melanin is absolutely amazing and does give you some natural protection, we're talking about SPF 13 worth. It's definitely not enough on its own. Plus, this misconception is actually dangerous. It's leading to delayed skin cancer diagnoses in people with deeper skin tones. Myth 3. Sunscreen will break me out, so I just can't use it. If your sunscreen is causing breakouts, babe, you just haven't found your match yet. It's all about finding your perfect texture match, just like any other skincare step. Myth 4. SPF completely blocks vitamin D, so it's bad for me. Here's the thing the scary headlines don't mention. Most of us are pretty imperfect with our sunscreen application anyway. We miss spots, don't apply enough, forget to reapply, so we're still getting some vitamin D synthesis. Studies consistently show that people who wear SPF regularly maintain healthy vitamin D levels. And if you're genuinely low, a supplement is so much safer than risking sun damage for a vitamin boost. Myth 5. Chemical sunscreens are scary and toxic. The internet absolutely loves a good panic story, but let's talk facts. Sunscreen ingredients are literally some of the most researched cosmetic ingredients ever. The amounts approved for our use have been studied extensively and are considered completely safe by every major skin organization worldwide. You know what's actually scary? Skipping protection and dealing with premature aging and potential skin cancer. Myth 6. I use vitamin C serum, so I don't need SPF. Okay, we love a good antioxidant moment. Vitamin C, niacinamide, they're all amazing for your skin. They're meant to work together as your ultimate skin protection squad, not replace each other. Okay, so now that we've cleared up the myths, here's the fun part. Sunscreen isn't one size fits all. Just like you wouldn't wear stilettos to yoga, your sunscreen should match your lifestyle and skin type. Let's break down how to choose the right formula so it feels as effortless as slipping into your favorite moisturizer. Let's quickly decode sunscreen labels and jargon so you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. SPF is the one we all notice first. It tells you how well your sunscreen blocks UVB rays, the ones that cause sunburn. SPF 30 blocks about 97%. SPF 50 blocks around 98%. But over years of daily use, that tiny edge really adds up. Broad spectrum means the sunscreen protects against both UVB, which burns, and UVA, which sneaks in silently to cause aging, pigmentation, and DNA damage. Now, UVA strength is often shown as PA plus to PA+++ or PPD values. More pluses mean stronger protection, like a shield for the deeper layers of your skin. Water-resistant doesn't mean waterproof. It simply means your sunscreen lasts a bit longer if you sweat or swim. You still need to reapply. Tinted sunscreens? Those contain iron oxides that block visible light, perfect if you're prone to pigmentation or melasma. And finally, let's talk chemical versus mineral. Chemical filters absorb UV and quietly convert it into harmless heat, lightweight and easy under makeup. Mineral filters, like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, absorb and bounce off UV to provide broad coverage. Hybrid formulas mix both, giving you balance, elegance, and performance in one. Once you understand these terms, choosing a sunscreen becomes a whole lot easier and way less intimidating. Now here's a nugget not everyone knows. Even mineral sunscreens can include SPF boosters, like butyloctyl salicylate and Oxynex ST. These are tiny chemical additives that enhance the SPF without being listed as active sunscreen ingredients. They help the formula perform better, but if your skin is sensitive to chemical filters, these can sometimes irritate it. So, always check the label. Sunscreen filters like members of a superhero squad give your skin 360-degree protection. But here's a quick reality check. Not all heroes are created equal. Some filters come with baggage. Avobenzone blocks UVA but is unstable unless paired with stabilizers. Octocrylene helps stabilize formulas but can trigger reactions in sensitive skin. Octinoxate is lightweight and elegant, but it isn't very stable, and lab tests have raised some safety concerns. Older filters, such as homosalate or patamate O, are simply not as reliable today. These aren't automatically bad, but they remind you why smart choices matter. Now for the real stars, the ones you want on your site every day. Best all-rounders, Tinosorb S, Tinosorb M, zinc oxide, and titanium dioxide. These filters offer strong, broad-spectrum protection and are highly photostable, ensuring long-lasting effectiveness. UVA specialists, Uvinul O+, Mexoryl SX, and stabilized avobenzone. These are particularly effective against UVA rays, which are responsible for premature skin aging. UVB specialists, Uvinul T150, and Sulazole, and octocrylene. These filters provide excellent protection against UVB rays, which are primarily responsible for sunburn. For comfort and elegance, silicones and esters are often added to sunscreen formulations to enhance texture, making them feel smooth and lightweight on the skin. Think of the A-Team sunscreen as a mix of 4 qualities. One with broad-spectrum coverage, high photostability filters that don't collapse under sunlight, advanced modern filters like Tinosorb, Uvinul, or Mexoryl that are lightweight yet powerful, and kinetic elegance, a texture you actually want to wear daily. If your sunscreen hits all 4, you've basically found your personal A-Team formula. Now let's get personal. Sunscreen is skin type specific. Oily or acne-prone skin? Look for lightweight gels, fluids, or oil-free formulas that absorb fast and don't feel greasy. For dry skin, creamy, moisturizing formulas with hyaluronic acid or squalane hydrate while protecting the skin. Sensitive skin would love mineral-only or low-irritant chemical formulas. Fragrance-free is usually safer. Makeup lovers need silky, lightweight textures to layer under foundation without pilling. Tinted options can double as a primer. Remember, if your sunscreen feels heavy or uncomfortable, you won't wear it consistently. And that's the biggest fail. Now let's chalk out a daily sunscreen game plan that actually works for your life, your skin, and your style. Not all sun exposure is the enemy. A short bit of gentle morning light, before 10 a.m., when the UV index is usually below 3, can actually be good for you. It helps your body make vitamin D, supports your circadian rhythm, and can even give your skin a touch of natural resilience. Some people like to go sunscreen-free during this window, and that's fine, as long as the exposure is modest. Where you live and what you do matter. A lighter SPF 30 moisturizer may be enough if you're most of the time indoors. But once you know the UV index has climbed through a simple Google search, it's game on. That pro-tan strategy, skipping sunscreen for errands and only using it on beach days, might sound practical, but it underestimates UVA. Remember, UVA doesn't burn, but it silently ages your skin and damages DNA. That's why daily SPF isn't optional. If you're prone to hyperpigmentation and melasma, or for general aging concerns, SPF 50+, will help minimize the damage while offering sun protection. Apply the dermatologist recommended about 1/4 teaspoon to the face and neck, making sure you cover every curve. Don't leave those hidden valleys unprotected. Let it settle for 5 to 15 minutes before layering moisturizer, makeup, or foundation. Think of it as your skin's daily primer and shield rolled into one. If you're outdoors for long stretches, definitely step it up with an SPF 50+, broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen. Hats, sunglasses, long sleeves, and shade are your backup squad. Blocking the sneaky rays sunscreen can't always handle alone. And don't forget reapplication, every 2 hours or sooner if you're sweating, swimming, or wiping your face. Think of it as topping up your armor. Protection fades, but reapplying keeps your shield strong. Hydrate well, load up on antioxidants, and time your workouts or errands to avoid peak UV hours. These small choices multiply your protection. And when it comes to skincare layers, keep it minimal. Too many products can disrupt the sunscreen film. Even small tweaks like checking the UV index before stepping out make a difference. If it's below 3, moderate sun exposure is fine. Above that, you'll want full protection. Alright, now let's talk about actual sunscreens that people love and swear by. For those who prefer a lightweight, non-greasy feel, Biore UV Aqua Rich is a classic favorite. It glides on effortlessly and disappears into the skin. Perfect if you hate that sticky sunscreen vibe. Plus, the Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel UV is having a major moment. It's unscented and so lightweight you'll forget you're wearing it. Dry skin can benefit from Eucerin Advanced Hydration, which is hydrating without being heavy. For acne-prone skin, Eltam D UV Clear is a dermatologist's favorite with niacinamide and zinc oxide. Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture. Essence SPF 50 is affordable and doesn't leave a white cast. Beauty of Joseon Relief Sunrise plus Probiotics SPF 50 brings probiotics and rice bran into the mix for extra gentleness and is great for sensitive skin. Eucerin Sun, Sensitive Protect, and La Roche-Posay Anthelios Tinted Mineral SPF 50 are all gentle yet protective options. For oily skin, matte finishes and shine control are non-negotiable. Misha, soft, finished sun milk, nails all-day matte perfection, and Eucerin Oil Control. Sun Gel Cream tames shine like a built-in primer. Innisfree Daily UV Defense is lightweight and makeup-friendly, while Nivea Sun Face Shine Control and Supergoop Unseen are reliable options for budget-conscious lovers of matte skin. Combination skin needs balance, and these formulas deliver. Skin 1004 Water Fit Sun Cream hydrates where you need it without feeling heavy. Neogen Dermalogy Daylight Protection has a feel-good, lightweight formula. And finally, a few sunscreens that really hit the sweet spot across multiple skin types. Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun, Skin 1004 Water Fit Sun Cream, and the La Roche-Posay Anthelios line. These are the ones that work, feel good on the skin, and make protection effortless. Think of it like this. SPF is your loyal sidekick, but the real hero is your full sun smart routine. Apply, reapply, protect with clothing, time your sun exposure wisely, and always check the UV index. That's how you get glowing, resilient skin, without fear, guilt, or confusion. And of course, make sure it's a sunscreen your skin actually enjoys wearing. We'd love to hear from you. Please drop a comment about what other videos you'd like, or any sunscreen questions you have, or if you'd like longer content on any sunscreen products. Your engagement helps this video reach the people who need it, so please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one!